Okay. So, how are you all feeling on this your last morning? Exhausted, I'm sure. You've done a lot. You've fitted a lot in. Excited. Excited to go home. Any other emotions? Devastated? Anyone devastated? Well, Gabby was saying you all look very sad, and my response was, that's a good thing. We don't want people to look too happy when they're leaving us. But I hope you have had a really enjoyable and useful time, and you're not too exhausted. From our point of view, we absolutely love having you, and this year has been no exception. Teachers have said that you've been really enthusiastic, just great students to have in class. You've managed to keep up with the work despite the busy schedule that Gabby's had for you, so well done to all of you. We're giving you out certificates now, and I'd like you all to be giving each other a round of applause. There's lots of you here to try and keep it going, as long as your hands can keep going. And a big round of applause from me. Well done for being such great students, and thank you very much for coming. Given the numbers, we feel it's more efficient for Gabby to be reading out the names, so you don't get the amusement of me attempting my Spanish accent and Spanish pronunciation of all your names. So Gabby will read out your name. If you'd like to come up and be as British as you can with a handshake, stand up here because you are going to be caught on camera. Okay, so come and stand on the step. If you're too tall, I may just go off the next step.
Exactly.
So, Gabby.
So, Maria Florencia Pagliettini.
So, big round of applause.
Valentina Campos. Tomás Chali.
We'll see if we can. It's straight on.
Tomás Jorge.
Well done.
Estefanía Jiménez. Sofía Vázquez Bacaro. Santiago Cobian. Sabrina Cárgano del Campo. Rosana Pernigotti. Ramiro Cobian. Pedro Capelli. Mariano Castillo. Sol Martín. María Luz Larroz. Lourdes Calabria. Lucía González. Lucho Martínez. Lucía Bustos. Lucas Novarbos. Lautaro Iglesias. Julián Fernández. Julieta Orellano. Julieta Ratti. Juan Isade. Juaco Nanfara. Joaquín Pagani. Ian González. Hugo Ernesto Simón. Giuliano Meinieri. Ezequiel García Fernández. Elina Istilarte. Constanza Vázquez. Camila Scarpello. Brenda Sveil. Alan Woodley. Aime Marea. Agustín Apuzzo. Agustina Iraola.
Dale.
Adriana de Blasi. And Abigail Franchi.
Okay.
Thank you.
That's it. Right,
very
wait.
much.
1 minute.
Happy birthday to
Wait, wait,
Gary!
Hey, hello everybody, my name's Jane. You haven't met me because I've been away a lot, but I'm the principal of the school. And every year, Gabby comes here on her birthday. So she gives up being with her friends and her family back home to be with all of us. And we really, really appreciate it. And we love having her here. So, I'm sure you know it's Gabby's birthday. I'm sure you have lots of special things planned for her to make sure she has a lovely day. But I thought we could sing Happy Birthday. Do you know Happy Birthday? Yeah. So we go 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Gabby. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Gabby. Sorry, a little something.
Thank you.
Something very small.
Thank you.
And lots of lovely cake.
Thank you. Thank you. I cannot talk.
again and come and enjoy the cake.